Hi everybody, this is Tracy again with her second video for the brand new YouTube channel that I've started, which is supposed to give suggestions as to healthy meals that you can eat while you're in your weight loss journey and that your family won't mind eating as well. So save you some time, want to prepare 2 meals. So the second recipe that I'm putting out is honey sesame chicken lunchables. Yum yum. So the servings that the ingredients, they give 4 servings at 445 calories. Alright, so let's go. First, we're going to need 2 large chicken breasts. You can either cut them in strips or do little bite sizes. It's up to you really which way you want to do that. Produce, you need 3 cups of broccoli and 3 cups of snap peas. 3/4 cups of uncooked rice, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, half a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. This depends on how spicy you like your food. 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1 cup of sesame seeds. You also need 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You also need 1/4 cup of chicken stock or just water. Let's get cooking. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our chicken stock or water or soy sauce. I recommend that you use reduced sodium, or honey or sesame oil or red pepper flakes. As I said, this depends on you if you want to use it or not, and our cornstarch, and we're going to just mix it together and set it at one side. Alright, so we're going to cook the rice according to the instructions on the package, and then you're going to section it out into 4 containers, because as I said, this recipe it's for 4 servings, so you would increase or decrease the amount of ingredients that you use depending on the size of your family. Alright, and then we're going to heat the olive oil in the pan, add the broccoli and the snap peas, and cook for 5 minutes or so until the green looks bright and tender. And then we're going to add the rice to the container, right? And so we're not going to add the rice to the container because the rice is already in the container. We're going to add the broccoli and the snap peas that we just did. We're going to put that aside in the container. So now the same pan, if needs be, you can add some more of the olive oil to it, right? And then you're going to add the chicken to the pan and season it with salt and pepper and red flakes, as I said before. Depends on how spicy you want your food. And you're going to cook it for about 7 minutes or so, or until the chicken is cooked through, right? So remember the sauce that we had mixed up before and put one side? We're going to add that to the pan and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes until it becomes nice and thick, right? So then we're going to add the chicken to the lunch containers and drizzle it with some sauce if you like. Make it all, Chef Ramsay like. You can garnish it with a little sesame seed. And that's it. So you can store this meal in the fridge for up to 4 days and reheat and serve as you see fit. So have a great night, guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you want more recipes like this, you can like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night.